Hi everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Priyanka, and if you are new to my channel, then I make positive videos for the people who are not able to see any positivity in their life and about themselves as well. So if you are the one who's stuck seeing negativity everywhere and in yourself as well, then my channel is for you. So today, especially, I wanted to talk to women who thinks because now I'll be turning 29 and I still don't feel like that I am ready to marry anyone. And then जैसे जैसे आपकी एज होने लगती है ना दिस फियर कम्स इन एंड द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो इट टेल्स यू दैट आप इतने एज के हो आप उतने एज के हो आपको शादी करनी चाहिए बच्चे कैसे होंगे ये वो फलान ढिमकान बट ट्रस्ट मी आई नो फियर होता है बहुत बुरा लगता है एंड यू फील दैट नथिंग विल वर्क आउट बिकॉज जब आप उस लूप में होते हो ना जब आप एक्चुअली में उस आप ऐसा सोचिए कि आप एक बलून के अंदर हैं एंड आपको लगता है कि ये बलून ही पूरी दुनिया है मेरी इसके इसके बाहर तो कोई दुनिया ही नहीं है इसके बाहर तो मैंने कोई दुनिया ही नहीं देखी नो एंड आपको उस बलून में जब कोई हेल्प भी नहीं मिलती है तो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट स्टेट बिकॉज उस समय आपको ऐसा लगता है कि if I don't do this then my life will be finished but my video will help you that I have been there and I'm still healing from that. So there is a hope out of that balloon. Your life is not in that balloon and that balloon is not your whole life. And as a woman I feel that if we define ourselves only and only how I look physically, which is amazing, that to look beautiful, to look pretty, and to look amazing, that's beautiful. But if your self worth is only and only defined by your physical beauty, anyways, you are not gonna attract a good man in your life. And the more we age, I feel it has nothing to do with age. It has to do with the figuring out and realizing that you are deserving of love in spite of how you look, how tall you are, how short you are, how thin or how fat you are, how you look right now. You are deserving of love and you deserve to be loved and you deserve to be loved. I was talking to you know one of the special and nicest person and she told me that I deserve to be loved for everything that I am, for my beauty, for my qualities, for everything. And I will tell you the same, okay, that you also deserve to be loved for everything that you are, for this amazing person you are. But for that, you need to, you know, go back to your own self and start to realize your own qualities. Start to understand and know your own qualities, that you know what qualities you have, and don't hate yourself for being pretty, for being beautiful, because there is lots and lots of shame and guilt going on in the society for women who's pretty and beautiful. God have made you like this, ओके एंड अपने आप को छोटा बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अपने आप को नीचा देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट या आप अपना सारा वर्थ अब सिर्फ अपनी ब्यूटी पे ही नहीं डाल सकते. ओके, you have to know that you have qualities as well. Okay, maybe you design so well, maybe you make other people feel safe and comfortable. Maybe the way you light up the room, maybe the way you laugh, maybe the way uh, you make people seen and heard and safe. Maybe the way you inspire people, maybe the way you dream big. Okay, maybe the way you bring positivity everywhere you go. So, I feel, you know, as a women, we need to know our own qualities. And the more and more I am meeting women and talking to them, I just feel that कहीं ना कहीं वो भूल गई हैं. कहीं ना कहीं उनको ऐसा लगता है कि women who are married कि they are only wife or mother or daughter or sister or this and that. They have lost themselves in the roles, so many roles, and they are not taking care of themselves. They are not putting themselves first. They are abandoning their own needs. They don't even know about their own needs. And they're wanting all these things from the outside world. They have forgot themselves. That they are very powerful and strong. And if they will start to honor themselves, release the fear that if they let go of all these roles, they will not be loved. Because end तो fear यही होता है ना कि I'll be isolated, I'll not be loved if I let go of this role, if I let go of this, then I will not be loved. But that is not true. You will be loved. You don't have to sacrifice yourself. You don't have to sacrifice yourself for anyone. You don't have to sacrifice your needs, your times, your wants, your desires, your goals, your hobbies. You don't need to do that. And the more you will come out of the fear of the more you will come out of your fear that you will be rejected, you will not be loved, you will be alone, you will not find anyone, which I am in right now and I am healing from it. The fear of isolation and fear that I will have no one around me, that I cannot leave this person, I cannot let go of this role, I cannot let go of this job, I cannot let go of this relationship, I cannot let go of this. The fear of letting go of the control that we have, that if we will let go of the control, then we'll be isolated, there will be no help. But trust me, it is just your fear. It is just your fear. It is just your fear telling you that you cannot choose yourself. Just your fear telling you that you cannot choose yourself, because if you will choose yourself, you will be alone, you will be isolated, you will not be provided, you will not be protected. But trust me, that's not true. That's not true. I am here with the example. I am the example. Trust me, the more you will choose yourself, the more universe will choose you, and the more you will attract those type of people who's gonna choose you. Because I know it's not easy. I'm sitting here and telling you, and myself also, I'm on my healing journey where I want to release control, I want to surrender, I want to invite those goodness in my life. I want connections. But sometimes I understand the voice of the fear gets so loud and so loud, and it gets so tough for you to choose yourself, to you know just surrender and believe that you are worthy of love. You are not taking up space, you are not taking anybody's time. You are deserving of that time, you are deserving of that space, you are deserving of everything, that all the beautiful things in the universe. Okay, it's just that you have to have the courage for yourself, and you have to listen to your own self, that what is it which is not making me happy. Why am I not happy? Why am I not satisfied? Why am I not feeling good here? And when society tells you that you have to get married by this age and you have to have kids by this age, don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them because they are not gonna live your life. They are not gonna come and raise your children with you. They are not gonna solve the conflict that you will have if that doesn't work. Okay? They are not gonna feel your pain. They will never. Don't listen to them. Don't lose yourself for all these people, because trust me, people who love you, they will love you in spite of whatever you are and whatever you choose. They are not gonna abandon you. And I know it is not easy to actually integrate this fact that I'm gonna choose myself. I'm not gonna get married because I don't feel ready, and whoever aligns with this are gonna be with me, and who doesn't can fall out. I know it's not easy to integrate this fact, but trust me, I'm here, sitting here, telling you, you are gonna find those people. You are gonna attract that man after you have done work on yourself and accepted yourself the way you are, not chasing healing all the time, and embracing your own qualities, and not staying in any situation which makes you feel uncomfortable and not worthy of love, where you feel like you need to chase love, you need to prove yourself to be loved, you need to achieve something to be loved, you need to be something or do something in order to be loved. Okay, you don't need to do that. No, not that. You don't need to lose yourself for all that, for all those things. Because trust me, love is for everyone. You are made out of love. We are love, you are love, I am love, we all are love. And as a woman, I feel even in our own family, even the women in our family, in the society, we have lots and lots of shame as a women for our body, for our body parts, for so many feminine things and feminine qualities. Okay, and if I say like what I had for dancing, for singing, for laughing, for dressing up, and for choosing myself, for eating first, and for speaking my mind, and wanting more, dreaming big, and putting makeup, wearing dresses that I always loved, for a lot of other things. Okay, so until and unless I will not heal these things within myself and not accept all these things, that I maybe I love dressing up, maybe I love putting makeup on, and I'm gonna use my voice where I feel that my voice is not heard, and I'm not gonna be there. So the if you will not choose yourself, if you will not understand that, okay, all these areas you have been wounded. Okay, now you have to heal yourself in all these areas. And the moment you will start to heal yourself in all these areas, you will start to fall in love with yourself more and more. And your fears will eventually start to fade, and the voice of the fear will, the power जो होता है ना, वो negative voice का, वो धीरे धीरे कम हो जाएगा, because now you are accepting it कि okay, I have this fear. Maybe you have a fear of dressing up, कि अगर मैंने ड्रेस अप किया तो maybe I'm dressing up for a man, maybe I'm dressing up to please a man, maybe I'm dressing up to seek validation and attention of man. The moment you dress up, you feel all these things, all these shame and guilt. You feel that you are not good enough, and this is not good. You feel bad when you dress up. But trust me, when you will allow yourself to feel all the shame and guilt you are feeling when you are dressing up, if you have that wound, eventually, slowly and gradually, the voice of that fear will start to, mellow down. You will start to feel that, okay, you know, maybe I love dressing up. I'm dressing up for myself. I'm not dressing up to seek any validation. Then ask yourself, कब आपको ऐसा फील कराया गया था जब आप ड्रेसअप होना स्टार्ट हुए? When you started to dress up, आपको कब ऐसा फील कराया गया कि आप खुद के लिए ड्रेसअप नहीं कर रहे हो, आप किसी और के लिए ड्रेसअप कर रहे हो, आप किसी और के लिए मेकअप कर रहे हो, आप किसी और के लिए ऐसे कपड़े पहन रहे हो और ऐसी ज्वेलरीज पहन रहे हो? आपको ऐसा कब फील कराया गया? एंड ट्राई टू रिलीज दैट. एंड द मोमेंट यू विल रिलीज दैट, वो चीज़ आपके माइंड से वाइप आउट हो जाएगी. देन यू विल फील कंफर्टेबल ड्रेसिंग अप. ये आपके हर एरिया में अप्लाई होता है. ओके ये हर एरिया में अप्लाई होता है आपके. वेन एवर यू फील दैट ओके दिस इज़ कमिंग अप कि मेरी एज हो रही है, मुझे शादी कर लेनी चाहिए, तो आपने अपने आसपास ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स कौन से देखे? आपके घर में मैरिजेस कैसी थी? एंड हाउ योर मदर वॉज, व्हेन डिड शी गेट मैरिड, एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. ओके, बिकॉज trust me, if you have heard, if people have told you that there is certain age and after this age you cannot get married and you are aging, people are not gonna like you, you will become unattractive, you will not be that much attractive, sorry, and no one is gonna like you for marriage, you will not have kids. So all these fears come out, and when all these fears come out, you feel okay, let me just sacrifice and let me just get married, let me have kid. But maybe you don't want that right now, maybe you don't want maybe you are not in that phase where you feel okay you need to get married and you are ready for it, but all these fears are stopping you from choosing yourself. So I am here telling you that all these fears are only fears, and if this thing is happening in your life, then maybe you are called to work on this. If this situation is happening in your life, maybe you are called to choose yourself, maybe you are called to step up for yourself and take all those risks and choose yourself, and just remind yourself and take a step and action for yourself that I'm not gonna choose this, I don't want this. But for that you need to have courage, and the moment you will start doing all these things, courage अपने आप build हो जाएगा. करेज सिर्फ माइंड में सोचने से तो नहीं आएगा. जब तक आप वो स्टेप नहीं लेंगे, जब तक आप वो चीज़ अपने लिए करेंगे नहीं, तब तक करेज कैसे आएगा? You need to have that conversation with yourself and you need to take that action. Eventually वो action आप में वो courage को लाएगा, बट आपको वो चीज़ करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप वो चीज़ नहीं करोगे तो आप हमेशा विक्टिमाइज फील करोगे और आपको हमेशा ये प्रेशर फील होगा सोसाइटी का, फैमिली का, लोगों का, दोस्तों का, सबका, कि you will feel like a pressure cooker जो कभी भी फट सकता है. You will feel I have no say. There are so many fears and I see no way out. I don't know anything. I don't see any way out. एंड आपको लगेगा कि आपको बस ये सब चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी, आपकी लाइफ में ये सब क्यों हो रहा है, लाइफ इज़ नॉट गुड, लाइफ इज़ नॉट ब्यूटिफुल, एंड यू विल फील प्रेशराइज्ड. यू फील पूरे हर तरफ से जब आपको एक ही वॉइस सुनाई दे रहा है दैट यू नीड टू गेट मैरिड एंड you are aging, आपकी एज निकलती जा रही है, and you are also not able to be positive in that scenario and actually have this faith that no matter what I will get married, I will have a beautiful relationship, I'll have a beautiful marriage. but अगर आप के अंदर उस टाइम वो इनर सेल्फ टॉक नहीं है, वो इनर डायलॉग और इनर सेफ्टी नहीं है, then eventually you will do something which you don't want to. And eventually what will happen, that you will keep on attracting those type of people who will make you who will tell you that yeah, you are aging, because somewhere you feel like you are aging, somewhere you also believe that you are aging, and you will not have any man in your life, no man will pursue you, you will not get married. All these are your fear which your environment is reflecting onto you. And if they are reflecting, it's a good thing. I know it's not easy, but it's a good thing that they are bringing it out which you have suppressed. They are bringing it out, and now you are called to work on it. And the moment you will start to work on it, you will start to attract different type of people. You will start to attract people who's gonna tell you that no, you are not aging, you are amazing. And you will start to attract those type of man who will accept you. But for that, you need to work on all these fears. You need to heal all these things, all these fear. Until and unless that you will not heal, you will not attract it. And then you will blame people around you, the society, like we all do. We blame people, society, siblings, relatives, everyone, but we never point this finger onto ourselves and ask ourselves that maybe I also chose this. Maybe I denied to work on myself. Maybe I was not able to work on my fears. Maybe the noise of the fear was so loud that I was not able to see my own light. Maybe I was not able to see the hope and the love the universe have for me. That no matter what, I will have everything that I desire and I want in my life. But for that, you need to follow your inner voice. You need to take a stand for yourself. You need to go on your own journey of healing. You need to heal all these fears, all these narratives. Because if you will not do that, you're gonna regret it. You will just start to live a life which you will not like, which you will not love, and you will live that life to please others, to make others feel happy, to keep all those people around you which are who are actually not your well wishers. I know it's not easy to go on this journey and cultivate all these beliefs in one day, but trust me, if you the moment you will start telling yourself that I don't want this, even if I'm not able to have that courage and confidence, but universe, I really want to choose myself, I really want to work on my fears, I really want to see hope, that there is hope, and then you will start to see it. But for that, you need to take the step that yes, I don't want this life, I don't want to believe in all these narratives, I want to believe differently, and I want to live a different life. Then you will start to attract and align all those things in your life. And I know it's not easy, but trust me, it will happen. Everything will get aligned. Maybe your patience will be tested, maybe your wounds will be tested, you will be tested, but trust me, eventually you will start attracting all those things in your life that you are deserving of without sacrificing yourself. You don't have to sacrifice yourself to please anyone or to keep anyone in your life, because you are scared of being isolated, rejected, being alone, nobody choosing you. So yeah, on this note, I will complete my video here, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And if you like my content, then do share with your friends and family, and do comment down below. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.